such a shame, a shame. We had to find out this way. Revenge loves company. They makes it a crowd. So wash your mouth. Sit this one out. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is Underdog by You, Me at 6. So I've never heard of the band, never heard of the song until it was requested. So thanks for requesting it because I actually really like this song. So it's really easy to play. There will be a part that, I mean, you're going to have to kind of figure out the timing a little bit. It'll take you a few tries probably on the verses. The chorus is incredibly easy, but just the chord timing is a little bit hard on the first two verses. So, but let's get into it. But first, thanks so much for everyone who has subscribed and who has hit like and commented and asked me to teach other songs, and promise I'm getting to them as best I can. And so I really do appreciate it. If you have other song requests, please let me know in the comments. So this song it's a really great song. You're going to need to put a capo on the first fret. I'll include a link to the capo I use. I don't get paid for it. I wish that I did. That'd be sweet, but I'm not that big. So anyway, just in case you need one, it's like 15 or 20 bucks, and it's lasted me, you know, I've had it ever since I started playing guitar like 16 years ago. So but you're going to be in standard tuning, and the chords that you're going to use. Now, the way that I would play this, if you're playing it and singing it, is I would be palm muting the verses. Okay, so I'm assuming you know what palm muting is, putting that part of your hand as close as you can to this like bridge thing right here. Okay, so and you're gonna put that, and you're gonna hit the bass notes. See, so on C I'm doing A and D. Okay, you can hit the A note too, but that's how it'll sound. Okay, so you're gonna do C for the intro, C, A minor, and G, and you're gonna do that for the intro and for the verses, for the first two verses, okay? So you're just gonna go, so at the beginning he's playing like, okay, so that's how he's playing it. Okay. So he's going down. It's just this whole song is pretty much just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So it starts with C, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so you're going to mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you go back into it. Now that's really hard to play and sing. So what I would do is you could play that way for the intro part, and then for the verses you could just palm mute it. And you can go, I know is C, no, something is A. You don't, it comes as G, it comes and goes like this. Strength, okay, strength in is C, in your bones. Okay, so in is your is C, in your bones. Bones is A minor, bones. O, okay, O is G, O. So keep your mind. All right, it's like keep your. Is C, keep your mind at rest. At rest is A minor. At rest. I'd never is G. I'd never let the two. Okay, two is C. Two of us. A minor. Us be friends. Friends is G. Friends. Does it hurt? And then you'll just do it. So you'll just do it A minor on does it hurt? Does it hurt? Okay, now for the chorus, this is where it's super, super easy. Okay, so you're gonna do, does it hurt? Then you're gonna go into, then you'll do A minor, F, C, G, and you'll just repeat that, okay? So you're gonna do, underdog. So under is A minor, underdog. Dog is F, dog. Just look is C. Look at the mess you made. Made is G, made. It's such a shame. Shame is A minor. Shame, a shame. Okay, shame is F. Shame. We had to find a C. Find out this way. Okay, find out this way is G. Way. You're gonna go A minor, G, and then I would go into the palm muting again. Palm muting, you just do it straight down. Okay. All right. So the strumming for the chorus is just. So you down, down, up, down, underdog. So you just doing like go down and then like a split second, like you wait for a split second. So underdog. See that? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're just doing one, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, one, down, up, down, up, down, up, one, down, up, down, up, down, up, one. That's right, one, down, up, down, up, down, up, one, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, I hope that's really helpful for you. And then you play the second verse just like you were before. You're just doing that palm muting. Then you put the longer chorus you're gonna do. So I'll just walk you through it. So it's under is A minor, underdog, dog is F. Just look is C. Look at the mess you made is G. Made. It's such a shame. Shame is A minor. Shame is F. We had to find a C, find out this way is G, way. Revenge is A minor, revenge loves company, company is F, company, three is C, three makes it a crowd is G, crowd, so wash is A minor, wash your mouth is F, mouth. Sit this one out. Okay, so sit is C, sit this one out. And out is G, out. And then you'll do E minor after out. Out. And then you'll just do E minor once, and then you'll go. Then for the bridge, I think it sounds best if you, especially if you're playing on acoustic guitars, if you just do single strums. And I'm down, so down is F. Down, down, but definitely. Okay, so it's F is on the first down, but definitely. Okay, but then C is on but definitely not out. Out is G, out. And why did you call me again? Again is F, again. But I bet is C, bet we don't make it. It is G, cause I'd never take advice from friends. Friends is F, friends, and okay, very is C, very high places. Places is G, places. They're only making best of themselves. Themselves is F, themselves. Selves are very is C, very selfish. Selfish is G, selfish. We'll give you a mine in the end. So end is E minor, okay? The end. Okay, then you're gonna go underdog. And you go back into the chorus, okay? Now what you could do for this last chorus is the first line, the first time you go through the chord progression where you go A minor, F, C, G, you could just do single strums because that's what they do on the album. You could do underdog, just look at the mess you made, and then after that you would go into it. It's such a shame, we had to find out this way. Revenge loves company, they makes it a crowd. So wash your mouth, sit this one out. And you just end it on the out. After out, you do a downward strum of A minor. And that's how it ends. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions. It's been a lot of fun teaching you this one. I'll see you next time.